Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. Let's talk about the simple phrase today. And that's a simple phrase in GIS. A map is only as good as the data behind it. You can have a beautiful shapefile like what we have on our screen. Let me just put this there. But the information attached to it is a bit messy, incomplete, for probably can run. Your analysis will definitely explode from beginning to the end. So how do we fix that? We go directly to the source, which is the attribute table we'll be looking at today. So what's the attribute table? The attribute table is basically a spreadsheet on steroids. Why do I say so? They are connected to your spatial data, and learning to master it is a non-negotiable skill for any GIS user. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to take full control of your data. We'll cover how to start an edit session, how to manually change values, and how to add and delete entire columns of fields. Okay, so this is where you go from the map data to a true data manager. So I think let's quickly get started. Let's see if we can keep our time. So quickly open our attribute table. The first step is toggle on editing. The very first icon we have here, once I activate that, I can be able to make any change I need to make. Let me use this because it's something I can easily Okay. So if I remove that, and I want it to be like that, once you're done making your edits, just remember to save. Once you've saved it, turn off the editing. And we have that. But if I want to return that back, I can just toggle editing back from here by clicking and as always, save and turn off. So what if I want to actually add a new field or remove deleted column? It's as simple as we have that tool here. It looks very well. Or you just simply tap Ctrl W to get that out. Include the name of the field. You put in the size, is it an integer, is it decimal, is it text, is it text format? Then the length of the data and how many decimal points do you want for your data. Once you've imputed that, automatically you have that. In outside along the details of how to actually calculate the area study data length accordingly. And also the answer deleted things. Just beside where we added a staple, we have the delete field. Control L as well for shorts. Once you click that, you select the attributes you want to remove. Once I click OK, as always, remember to save and turn off your toggle editing. And there you have it. You now have how to properly edit your attribute table, add a remote field to actually create information based on what you're working on. Mastering these skills is a big, massive step forward. You're no longer just accepting data as it comes. You are now actively improving and enriching it to make your own maps and your analysis that makes much more power. If this tutorial helped you in your data, please do me a favor as always, hit that thumbs up button. It's a small fix for you, but it makes a huge difference for the channel. Now for my question for the tutorial, what is the first useful thing that actually going to edit using the new skill you've learned? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm always curious to hear about real-world application. And finally, if you're serious about leveling up your GIS skills, make sure you subscribe to GeoKloud Academy and turn on notifications so that you're ready for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy mapping. Good day.